Understanding time of the month, an English phrase explained. Hello, and welcome to today's English learning session. We are excited to dive into the nuances of the English language and help you expand your understanding. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, time of the month. This phrase is often used in everyday English, and it's important to grasp its meaning and usage. So, let's get started. The phrase, time of the month, is a euphemism. A euphemism is a polite, indirect expression used to describe something that might be unpleasant or embarrassing to talk about directly. Specifically, time of the month refers to the menstrual cycle in women. It's a discreet way of mentioning that a woman is having her period without saying it explicitly. Understanding when and how to use this phrase is crucial. It's typically used in informal settings among friends or family. For example, a woman might say, "I'm not feeling well. It's that time of the month." It's important to use this phrase sensitively and respectfully, recognizing that it relates to a personal and private matter. While time of the month is a common phrase in English-speaking countries, it's important to approach it with cultural sensitivity. Attitudes towards menstruation can vary greatly across different cultures and societies. In some contexts, it might be considered too private to mention, even in a euphemistic way. Always be mindful of the social and cultural norms of the people you are communicating with. We hope this video has helped you understand the phrase, time of the month, and how it's used in English. Remember, language is not just about words, but also about the context and culture in which they are used. Thank you for joining us, and we look forward to seeing you in our next English learning session.